What is going on, guys? Welcome to my video, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create and manage a ticket in Zendesk. Please be aware that this is a trial version, so for the sake of this tutorial I will be simulating a conversation through the web widget, which is one of Zendesk's omni-channels. So I have my web widget already open, and I will start and simulate a conversation. So here we go. Now it prompts us to enter the name. For the sake of this tutorial, I will be using, let's say, John Doe. Now, as you can see, guys, something has popped up on my dashboard already, and when I go to my portal, I click on views, I refresh because my page is already open, or I can catch my conversation from here, and here we go, we have conversation with John Doe. So we open the conversation with John Doe. Now, since we are in the trial version, I will now send a message to John. So I will say something like, "Hey John, how can I help you today?" So here we go, me as the agent sending a message to John. As we are in the trial version, so we go back to our simulation, and there we go. I've responded back to John, and that's the response. So John is gonna send back to us now and say, let's say something like, "I have an account login issue and cannot log in my account despite me resetting the password." And there we go, boom. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, we will just continue and fill in some of the fields. So let's say priority we will make as high, type is, for example, we can put it as a problem, topic is other, and let's say in this case I just also want to show you how can you send an internal note to your team members. Internal note, just for you guys who don't know, this note is not seen by the end users, and this is only visible to your team members. So we will add a note something like, "Customer attempted a password reset, needs immediate support." We will put this as pending, and boom, it's already submitted, and as you can see, the ticket status is pending now. Now, just coming back to the ticket, something I need to mention as well, for those of you guys who does not know what tags is, are used to categorize, organize, and manage customer information or tickets for better workflow and reporting. Tags help segment customers based on specific attributes or behaviors, such as VIP customer, frequent buyer, let's say, or trial users. So now, just to recap on this tutorial, so what we did here is we've created a new ticket for somebody called John Doe who's experiencing an account login issue. I've assigned this ticket as a high priority to ensure prompt resolution. So now what we will do next is we will respond to John, but we are going to respond to John with a macro. So please make sure to watch the next video so that you see how we can configure a macro and that you guys know how to use a macro in Zendesk and the benefits and the usage of a macro in Zendesk.